Hi, friends. Do you want your teeth to be happy, shiny, and super strong? Today, we're going to learn how to brush your teeth the right way and why it's so important. Let's go. Why do we brush our teeth? Brushing makes your teeth super clean. It keeps your breath smelling fresh. Nobody likes stinky breath or yucky teeth. Brushing chases away the sugar bugs, tiny germs that make holes in teeth. If you don't brush, your teeth get dirty, stinky, and they might even fall out. Let's brush together. Here's what you'll need: a toothbrush, small and soft, a little toothpaste, just a pea-sized dot, some water, and your biggest smile. Step 1. Squeeze the toothpaste on your brush. Step 2. Put your brush on your teeth. Little circles, little circles. Step 3. Brush the fronts, the backs, the sides. Step 4. Brush for 2 whole minutes. Step 5. Spit out the toothpaste. Rinse your mouth, and you're all done. What happens if you don't brush? Oh.